Are you looking for a detailed overview of the fuse box locations and diagrams in your 2023 Audi e-tron? This user guide provides all the essential information to help you locate and understand the fuse box layout, ensuring you can address electrical issues with ease. Front compartment fuse box. The front compartment fuse box in the 2023 Audi e-tron distributes power to key front-end components, including lighting and charging systems. It is designed for easy access and labeled for straightforward identification. This ensures efficient troubleshooting and fuse replacement. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2023 Audi e-tron manages fuses for interior electronics, such as the infotainment system, climate control, and lighting. It ensures organized access for easy maintenance. Each fuse is clearly labeled for quick identification and replacement. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2023 Audi e-tron controls power for rear-end systems like the tailgate and rear lighting. It features clear labeling for quick identification of fuses. The accessible design ensures easy maintenance and replacement when needed.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.